Welcome to Digital Shivnath. Today I am going to show how to use Instagram without any third-party software. You can upload pics and you can also use hashtags. If you are Apple user, go to the Safari browser and log in into your Instagram account. Now you can see Instagram bottom of the page there is no options are showing. Go to developer option, click on user agent, click on Safari iOS 10. Then refresh it. Then it will show the options at the bottom of the page. This how you can upload the pics from the desktop without using any third-party softwares or Chrome or extensions. For Windows user, go to Google, type Instagram and log in into your account details. You can see at bottom of the page there is no options are showing. Right click, click on inspect, click on device toggle. Like in responsive you can select whichever device you want to choose. I click on iPhone X, then refresh it, then close the inspect bar. Then it will show the options at the bottom of the page. Like I search in search bar Tollywood, so it also shows the Tollywood pages and hashtag volume also, without using any third party softwares or extensions in Chrome. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Time to Tech Review and follow me on Instagram, Sai Shivnath. Thank you.